Good morning, I'm Justin from CNSI MSD, and welcome to our booth. And maybe before here, you already visited our 5G 2B island and saw many amazing use cases in the 2B scenario. And here I will introduce our professional service to help operators in launching their own 2B use case. And as we know, in the 2C, we are operating the traffic, and in 2B, we will operate the SLA. So how to ensure the 5G SLA-driven operation? Here is our answer. And we will separate to several phases to discuss this question. First, in the planning and construction phase, the 2B business is all about the traffic and capacity planning. For example, here in the coffee shop, it's an MBB scenario. And we are planning the network based for the downlink throughput. But in the 2B smart bus scenario, they need granted uplink throughput. And in this scenario, SLA become a key criteria. So assurance planning become more critical in this phase. And Huawei have developed many vertical industry best practice with SLA models to help operators to fast-track with acquired the planning practice experience in over 15 vertical solutions. And in addition, we have many assets such as the 3D simulation and models to ensure the accuracy of the planning, which measure the latency, the uplink throughput, and the downlink throughput. And as we know, the 2B solution rely on the third-party product and service. In order to give extra confidence for the customer, Huawei offered the open labs environment with the pre-integration and pre-verification to test the interoperability for the solution to work. And in the maintenance and optimization phase, generally, we provide to see network level availability for basis on the traffic and capacity planning. But in the 2B use case, we need to offer the assurance to the talent level. We treat each enterprise as an independent talent, just like they are using their own private network for the granted for the agreed and predefined SLA. And as we know, the 2B solution is a complex solution. There are many touch points of the failure. So in the biggest challenge in delivering the 2B solution is how to isolate the problem where the problem is to the right talent. Secondly, in identifying and resolving these issues, we have to be the predictive and with the talent level SLA visibility in order not to compromise the graded SLA. In order to overcome this challenge, we developed the SDK in the CPE and collect the data from the 5G network and do the correlation analytics in the cloud across the BSS and OSS domain. For example, in this 2B smart factory scenario, they need high reliability. And because this impacts their productions. So the operator can use our dashboard to know the the network standard of this factory. They can know the latency, the alarm, and many other indicators. And this dashboard also can help operators to do the fast deprecation if the errors come out. In this stage, in the business operation, because in the beginning of our SLA operation, the key difference is in the provisioning. The 2C provision, we are generally allocate the same SIM card for the different consumers. But in the 2B, we need to balance the SLA and the level capacity and the market demand to make sure that you are delivering the right level of service to the enterprise and without compromising the other enterprise SLA. So first step, we need to do the SLA evaluation. For example, here, in the same cell, there are in different places, they are different enterprise and they have different requirements. So we need to do the SL evaluation for the basis on the different location. We considering the factors such as the service demand, traffic model, cell performance, and the network coverage. After this, we give out SLA availability for the special location. And then we fulfill the service to the across-domain equipment automatic. In summary, here is what Huawei can offer to help operators in launching their own 5G2B use case. Thank you for attention. That's all. Thank you.